Hi, Paul Fenn here with the lovely Catherine Guiader, and we are standing under what you can see are just beautiful sunny skies here in Annapolis, Maryland. And it's that time of the year again to invite you to the Annapolis Sailboat Show. It's coming up from October 9th to the 12th. As usual, we got a great range of boats to be seen. Catherine, what have we got going?
Absolutely, a very exciting lineup. I'm going to start with the all-new Sun Odyssey 415. Was just introduced at the Cannes boat show in the south of France. I was there, and do yourself a favor and come and check it out. It is an absolutely fantastic new model of ours, 415.
And in addition to the 415, we got a few other boats on the Sun Odyssey side.
Of course, we'll have the Sun Odyssey 350 that we introduced this time last year, the Boat of the Year award. We have the Sun Odyssey 380 in the great two-cabin layout with the separate shower. And then the 440, the boat that started it all with the walk-around decks back in 2018.
That's fantastic. And of course, the Annapolis Sailboat Show for Jeanneau would not be a show without some yachts. So we have two this year. We have the award-winning Jeanneau Yachts 55. We debuted that boat a couple of years ago, showed it again last year, but it's a fantastic boat, very catamaran-like, redefines what a monohull can be. And then for the very first time, we're going to be showing the Jeanneau Yachts 65. This is the flagship of the Jeanneau Yachts range, and we're super excited to have that boat on display.
Absolutely, she looks beautiful. Come and check it out as well. So that's it for the boat, but of course we also have our owners party on Saturday night. You are all invited. It's a very exciting time to see our friends on the docks at the Jeanneau booth.
So we hope to see you for this year's Annapolis Sailboat Show. It's coming right up again from October 9th to the 12th, right here in downtown Annapolis.
See you then.